CVMC, ACE, NMMC, Triple E. Unit 3. Multiple integrals. Lesson 3. Problem 6. Problem 6. Evaluate double integral xy into x plus y dx dy over the area between y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. Solution. Given curves y is equal to x square is a parabola symmetric about y-axis. Symmetric about y-axis. Y is equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin. So diagram is y is equal to x square, symmetrical about a y-axis. So we get parabola like this. This is y is equal to x square parabola passing through the origin. Y is equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin. Y is equal to x. This is 0, 0. We have to find this intersecting point. How to get intersecting point? Here y is equal to x square, y is equal to x. Left sides are equal, so x square is equal to x. X square is equal to x. X square minus x equal to 0. X into x minus 1 equal to 0. X 0, x is equal to 1. Automatically put x is equal to 0 here, we get y 0. Put x is equal to 1 here, we get y is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 0 here, we get y is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 1 here, we get y is equal to 1. So intersecting points. Intersecting points 0, 0, 1, 1. So this is 1, 1. We have to observe this area between parabola and line y is equal to x. Now we have to, there is no limits in the given problem. There is no limits. We have to write limits. Of course, you consider an elementary strip parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis as you like. Suppose you consider your elementary strip parallel to x-axis, you first to integrate with respect to x and then integrate with respect to y. Suppose you take an elementary strip parallel to y-axis. First we have to integrate with respect to y, then with respect to x. Do as you like. For suppose take elementary strip parallel to y-axis. Here y value on the parabola, y value x square. On the line, y value x. So y limits x square to x. Moving the strip to cover the dotted region, limits of x 0 to 1 to cover the region like this, 0 to 1. So y limits x square to x limits 0 to 1. Y limits y is equal to x square, comma y is equal to x. X limits x equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Now your I is equal to integral 0 to 1 integral x square to x xy into x plus y, first with respect to y, then with respect to x. Into 0 to 1 integral x square to x, multiply this x square y plus xy square dy dx. Into 0 to 1, first integrate with respect to y, x is constant, so x square constant, integral y dy is y square by 2. Here x constant, integral y square dy y cube by 3, x square to x dx. Here integration with respect to y. So that's why you substitute upper and lower limits instead of y. So put y is equal to x here, upper limit y is equal to x. So x square x power of 4 by 2. Here y is equal to x cube into x power of 4 by 3. This is your upper limit minus lower limit. Put y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square whole square. X power of 4 into x square. X power of 6 by 2 plus x square whole cube. X power of 6 into x power of 7 by 3 dx. To 0 to 1, x power of 4 by 2 plus x power of 4 by 3 minus x power of 6 by 2 minus x power of 7 by 3 dx. Now integrate it. X power of 4 integration, x power of 5 by 5, x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. Integral x power of n dx is equal to x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power of 5 by 5, 5 into 2, 10. So x power of 5 by 10 plus x power of 5 by 5 into 3, 15. X power of 5 by 15. X power of 7 by 7 into 2, 14. X power of 8 by 8 into 3, 24. 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Substituting upper limit, instead of x you write 1. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 24. Substituting 0, we get this is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 24 is equal to LCM 168. So this is how many times? 2 times 12, 38, So simplifying, we get 9 by 168, 3 by 56. This is our answer. Problem 7. Problem 7. Evaluate double integral x plus y whole square dx dy over the area bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Solution. Given ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is the ellipse diagram. A minus B, x axis 0, y axis. Now we have to find complete ellipse. Evaluate the value x plus y whole square dx dy over the complete ellipse. Now you take an elementary strip parallel to y axis. Here y is equal to, from ellipse we get, look here, from this y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So y square is equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square, taking LCM. From this y is equal to plus or minus b by a root of a square minus x square. So minus b by a root of a square minus x square. Here y value b by a root of a square minus x square. Positive y in first quadrant, y positive, in fourth quadrant, y negative. All silver t, plus minus plus minus. So using that way we get y limits like this. So y limits are minus b by a root of a square minus x square to plus b by a root of a square minus x square. Now to cover the dotted region, you move the strip this to this, like this. Move the strip. So x is equal to minus a to x is equal to a. X limits minus a to a. Or put y is equal to 0 in ellipse equation. X square by a square is equal to 1. X square is equal to a square. X is equal to plus or minus a. So x limits are minus a to a. I is equal to integral minus a to a integral minus b by root over a square minus x square to b by a root over a square minus x square x plus y whole square, first with respect to y, then with respect to x. Elementary strip parallel to y axis. First we have to integrate with respect to y. Integral minus a to a integral minus b by a root of a square minus x square plus b by a root of a square minus x square. This is x square plus y square plus 2xy dy dx. a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Minus a to a. So x square plus y square is even function. So you write, first you separate it. Integral minus b by a root of a square minus x square plus b by a root of a square minus x square. Write here x square plus y square dy plus integral minus b by a root of a square minus x square plus b by a root of a square minus x square 2xy dy. Separation. Minus a to a. This is even function. This is odd function. 2x constant into y means odd function. Y cube, y power 5, etc. odd functions. Y power 0, that means 1, y square, y power 4, those are even functions. Here x square, y square is there. So according to dy, y square is even function. X square into y power 0, that is also even function. So this can be written as 2 into 0 to b by a root of a square minus x square to x square plus y square dy. This is odd function. Y is odd function. This value is 0. So 2 into integral minus a to a integration x square into integral dy y plus this is y cube by 3. 0 to b by a root of a square minus x square dx. Root of a square minus x square dx. 2 integral minus a to a x square into substituting upper limit b by a root of a square minus x square plus b by a whole cube, b cube, already 3 is there, 3a cube, root over a square minus x square whole cube dx. Is equal to integral minus a to a b x square root over a square minus x square by a plus b cube by 3a cube a square minus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. Now this is even function, this is even function. Write 2 into 0 to a. So 2 into 0 to a b x square root over a square minus x square by a plus b cube by 3a cube a square minus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. Is equal to 4 into integral 0 to a bx square root of a square minus x square by a plus b cube by 3a cube a square minus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. Put x is equal to a sin theta. Put x is equal to a sin theta. What is your dx? A into sin theta derivative cos theta d theta. Root over a square minus x square becomes root over a square minus a square sin square theta. A root over 1 minus sin square theta. A root over cos square theta. So we get a cos theta. Root over a square minus x square. A cos theta. A cos theta. So a square minus x square whole power 3 by 2. So a square minus x square. So a square cos square theta whole power 3 by 2. 2 cancel a cube cos cube theta. A cube cos cube theta. Now, how to get lower limit change? X is equal to 0 implies a sin theta is equal to x means 0 implies sin theta 0 implies theta 0. Upper limit change. X is equal to a implies a sin theta is equal to x means a. This implies sin theta is equal to a by a is equal to 1. This implies theta is equal to pi by 2. Sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 is 1. Therefore, the above I becomes I is equal to 4 integral 0 to pi by 2 b x square a square sin square theta root of a square minus x square value a cos theta by a plus b cube by 3a cube a square minus x square whole power 3 by 2 value a cube cos cube theta into dx a cos theta d theta a cos theta d theta a cos theta d theta 4 into b a cancel a b into 0 to pi by 2 a cancel 4a square b 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta another a is there a. So a cube a power 4 by a cube b 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta cos square theta d theta plus 4 a cube cancel ab cube by 3 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power of 4 theta d theta cos power of 4 theta d theta. So 4a cube b integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta into 1 minus sin square theta d theta 4ab cube by 3 into 0 to pi by 2 cos 4 theta d theta 4 a cube b 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta minus integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to power of 4 theta d theta plus 4ab cube by 3 to 0 to pi by 2 cos power of 4 theta d theta. Use Wallis formula. N minus 1 means 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Here 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. 4ab cube by 3. This is 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Using Wallis formula already given to you. 4a cube b pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 16 4ab cube by 3 into 3 pi by 16 4a cube b 16 LCM 4 pi minus 3 pi 3 cancel 4 cancel. Pi AB cube by 4. 4 cancel here. 4 times. So 4 pi minus 3 pi pi. Pi a cube b by 4 plus pi ab cube by 4. So pi by 4 common ab. A square plus b square. This is the required